First one, so these are all columns. Okay, we'll see these are all columns actually. How many rows? 891. How many columns? Interesting. How many columns? 15 columns. Survived. There is a one column. Column name is a survived. Survived. Survived 0 means so and so person entered into the Titanic ship. 0 means not survived, boss. 0 means what, Saji? Not survived. Not survived. Went to heaven directly actually after Titanic. I'm sorry for saying. Right? Can you tell me 1 means survived? Okay, hold on. 0. P class means passenger class. What class actually? One more time. What class? Passenger class. You might have traveled. Everyone ship lo travel chesaru everrana? Okay, even I didn't travel. Okay, that's okay. I'm not asking Titanic ship actually. Normal ship. Okay, cool. If you travel over the train, you might have seen different what exactly classes. Sleeper, am I right? First tier, second tier, third tier. Yeah, 3 tiers actually. 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tier. So something like that actually, right? Here also they do have a classes. First class, second class, third class. First class, second class, what mean? Third class. What is the difference between first class, second class, third class? First class means like a high facility kind of. I used to travel over the train only 1 tier actually. Why? Because very spacious for reading purpose, and you can spend a really good amount of the time actually. Next one, 2 tier. 2 tier means 4 members for the cabin. 3 tier, 6 members. 3 tiers, what exactly? 6 members. That two doors also will be locked actually in 1 tier. 1 tier. Good. Make a note on this. The next one will be there is a gender column. I hope you can rename that column. Here they have given column name as a sex actually. That you can rename. Gender. Male. Next one is what exactly? Female. Can I ask a question? Good. Imagine this column you have given. I have given that column actually. What you can do? Mostly you can find out unique. Chapan sir, you can find out. You can see 2 value. You can see how many values? 2 values. First one, tell me. Male. Next one, female. Male separate category, female separate category. You can apply filtering. You can apply group by. Hey, like this, man. Do you know the data frame actually? Apply pandas operations first. What you can apply? Pandas operations you can apply actually. So please, this point is important. The next one will be yes. So and so person is actually. Yes. Can I ask a question, sir? Nenu oka prashna adugumantara. Generally, age is supposed to be integer. Why here it is float? Yeah, good catch actually. Very good, very good. Overall done pandas practice, you can easy to understand. Age general integer, but nobody never display. If you're asking my age, I can tell 16, but not 16 actually. But I may not tell 16.5, 32.3, something like that actually. I can tell directly some one number. I can round up actually. But why here it is a float? Oh, మీరు ఇక్కడ చూసి చెప్పారండి. No, right? Yeah, good. Make a note. This column having the missing value. This column having what, man? If you don't know missing value, gone. Open it by this time, right? The next one will be so and so passenger entered, right? Any sublinks? అంటే సబ్లింక్స్ అంటే వాళ్ళతో పోవడానికి ఎవరైనా ట్రావెల్ చేశారా? జనరల్లీ డ్యూరింగ్ ట్రావెలింగ్, డ్యూరింగ్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఆల్సో one person may not travel. With family they may travel, with kids they may travel, something like that actually. We'll see these are all kind of some location. What is a location? Fair means, do you think this is not fair actually? What is fair? Yeah, price, ticket price actually. 7.2 pounds, right? The next one, class, exactly. Can you help me? 1 minute. P class. 3 means third class, Sachi. They do have a numerical data, they do have a categorical data actually. 1 means what exactly, sir? First class. 3 means what exactly? Third class actually. Good. Who? Yeah, exactly. Gender, male actually. They created a separate column. One more column is what exactly? Man. I mean to say what are all important columns, what are not important columns. We'll see actually step by step. Are you ready, sir? Come on, let's move on. Now, let us just to apply. కొన్ని ఆపరేషన్స్ అప్లై చేద్దాం చూడండి. This is so called as a loading public data set. That public data set name is so called as a Titanic data set. We have loaded actually. Okay. After we have loaded, you can just focus on this. Yeah, here is a columns description I have given. Actually. Okay. All columns are not important, but if you want, you can walk through. Only important columns I have given. P class means passenger class. Okay, P class means passenger class. Imagine if you get this kind of column, what are the operations you can apply? Unique you can apply. Chappan sir, unique you can apply, and you can apply filtering. You can apply what man? First class how many? Second class how many? Third class how many actual? Have you traveled train? Train lo travel chesara? Okay, good. Hold on. When you are talking about the train lo మీరు travel చేస్తే what are all categories would you have? You know, ఏమేం cabins ఉంటాయో తెలుసా మీకు? The first one will be general. First one will be general, and you need to sit and you need to travel. The next one will be sleeper. The next one will be one tier. Come again? Yeah. Hold on. One tier, first tier. The next one, second tier. Next one, third tier. What exactly mean? Third tier actually. Third tier. It would be good to make a note. Back to చూద్దాం. There is a reason. Second tier. First tier actually. First tier. Sir, general means the price it can be. I'm talking about what exactly, no? Exactly. Secunderabad to Vijayawada. Let me talk about this actually. Vijayawada. Overall, don't know Secunderabad, Vijayawada. Don't worry. Online team. The general ticket price, maybe I can say, it's okay. 200 rupees, I guess. Just imagine. Okay. Sleeper, how much you know, Sarji? 450. Just imagine 400 rupees actually. 3 tier, how much you know, Sarji? 600. Just imagine. Roughly I'm taking actually. Second tier, how much you know? On an average, 900 rupees actually. 900 rupees. And first tier, I can say on an average, what exactly, Sarji? 1400 actually. 1400. So please understand. Please focus on this. Based on category, based on what man? Category, on an average, the price is increasing. What is increasing? Price is increasing actually. Right? Can I tell you? Imagine on an average, some 1,000 passengers are traveling. How many passengers are traveling, man? 1,000 passengers actually. 1,000 passengers from what exactly? Secunderabad to Vijayawada location. Train name not required, please. అవన్నీ అడగాల్సిన పని లేదు. I can give guarantee on an average 600 members they can travel from here. How many actually చెప్పండి Sarji? Conclusion of the story, general cabins are more. General cabins are what exactly? More actually. More. I'm sorry. I can say here 200 actually. And sleeper cabins are more. Sleeper cabins are what exactly? More actually. The next one, third cabin, very less cabins actually. Why? Because not everybody may travel. Did you understand? Why? Because it is a cost effective. And I would like to say less cabins actually. And when it comes to one tier, Sarji, very less. That's what you need to be understand. Same thing how train structure internally. Conclusion of the story, if you take any ship actually based on, there are some categories. First class, second class, third class. Price also vary. What is vary, man? Price also vary. Did you understand? Meeku ardham the Sarji? Okay, good. Move on to the discussion. Yeah. So P class. Next one will be survived. Survived column having 2 values. Chappan sir? 0 means so-and-so person. He entered into the ship actually, Titanic ship. Either he survived or not survived. 0 means not survived. I'm sorry. He died actually. And 1 means what, man? Survived. 1 means survived. Madam survived or not actually? Survived actually. Yeah. Hero? Not survived. So he went to heaven actually. Good. We'll see. I'm sorry. Survived. Next one will be name. There is a person name also they have taken, right value. Kind of some gender, sex column, type of the gender. Either male or female actually. The next one is. What is the age? Sibling. How many siblings they do have? Number of parents actually. So number of parents are, children abroad. The next one fair. Man, all columns are not important, but if you want, I have given here actually, you need to walk through, right? Now get ready, Sarji. Now let us just try to analyze. Short, let's move on. Whenever you are calling this function gives the result as a, one more time, this function gives the result as a data frame actually. Though this is the data frame, I wanted to know number of rows and columns actually. What to do? That's what we need to do. Dot shape you can apply. Dot what exactly mean? Shape. Number of rows and columns, Daniel. Yeah. Shape attribute you need to call. What you need to call, Sarji? Shape attribute. That's what we are calling here. Yeah. How many rows, sir? 891. Starts from 0. Chapandi starts from 0. How many columns? I wanted to know all name of the columns. What I need to do? Columns attribute. What attribute? Okay, good. Anyway, I wanted to see the top 5 rows. What I need to do? Head method. Bottom 5 rows. Good, then you guys are very good in pandas, I hope. Yeah, very good, man. So even let me just try to call. So initial data. Top 5 rows. I wanted to see. Top 5 rows. You need to call head method. The next one, what we need to do, you need to call, Daniel, I wanted to know last 5 rows actually. I wanted to know what exactly last 5 rows. Can somebody help me? Tail method. What method, Sachi? Tail method. While calling method name should be match. Otherwise, let me check actually. Check chadon chodano sir. While calling method name should be match. Yeah. Very good. Let me just try to give wrong name. Let me give what name? Wrong name actually. Can you tell me expected error, Chapan? What error? Attribute. Who should get the same? Who should get the same? Then only we are moving on with the right direction. Last 5 rows. Did I specify here? Yeah, like this we already know. Yeah, jump into the code actually. I wanted to display only name of the column. Chapan Sarji? Columns attribute. What attribute, Sarji? Columns attribute. Columns attribute. Columns what, Sarji? Attribute. I wanted to display 1 by 1 column. Yeah, good. Good. These are all values. Daniel, I wanted to display 1 by 1 column actually. You need to apply for loop. Let me ask a few questions. Can somebody tell what is a column? You should have asked. Exactly. Yep. Good, sir. First column survived. Next one, P class. The next one is gender and blah, blah, blah. What is the last column name? Alone. Is anyone traveling in alone? Traveling journey. These are all scenarios, man. There is a person, he may travel with family. There is a person, he may travel with only kids. There is a person alone actually, solo travel, something like that, right? Now, please be focused on this. This is nothing but a data. Titanic ship is nothing but a data. Oh, we got it, I guess. Move on. I wanted to know data frame information. Meanwhile, మనం ఒక పని చేద్దామా? Okay, hold on. We'll see step by step. df.info method. df. What method? Info method. Very nice. Please. Yeah. Sir, please. I request you. Focus చేస్తారా దీని మీద? First of all, data frame. What frame? Data frame. Next one. This one is a starting and this one is a closing. This number and this number should be otherwise. Nice. We'll see. 891 matching. Oh, there is a column. Column name is age having missing values. Yeah. Why missing value? Let me talk about with respect to this is the real time data. Go back to the IRCTC. Forget about online booking. Offline booking I'm talking. They will give voucher. They will give what, Sarji? Voucher actually. I'm talking with respect to the olden days. In that voucher, you need to specify your name, your source and destination. Source means what is the starting point, what is the ending point. MRA, ticket price, you need to specify. These are all. In the olden days, age is not a mandatory. Age, you don't need to specify your age actually. Age is not a mandatory actually. Though age is not a mandatory, there are few guys, they didn't fill up their age actually. They didn't fill up. Am I right? There are few people, they don't want to share age actually. Right. The next one will be how many first of all, matching, no missing value. There is a missing value. No missing value. Sir, there is a missing value here actually. That location, the starting point location. Class, no missing value. Can you tell me deck, kind of some location. I mean, location in the sense, the cabin, which cabin you are actually. Here is a no missing value, missing value, missing value, missing value, missing value. Yeah, God, can you tell me, sir, Boolean, how many values? Oh, Boolean. I mean, it is a Boolean values, true and false. The data set. Here it is. Next one. Here it is. Categorical means string related data. What data? String related. You no need to be worried. The next one, object also separate would have, 5 would have, integer, these are all. Let us play the data sometime actually. కొంచెం సేపు డేటాతో ఆడుకుందాం. I wanted to find out only missing values column wise count. How to find out? Is any dot sum. Come on, let's move on. See, this is nothing but, let us understand EDA. We are planning to apply EDA. Data frame information. I wanted to know missing values. Missing values, column wise count. Column wise count of missing values. Column wise count of what, man? Missing value. Missing value. Chappan sir, how to get actually? Any idea? Print of df dot is an a. Is an a. Can I ask a question? If you call is an a, what happens, sir? You will get result as a Boolean value. I'm sure, I hope you already know this. Yeah, man. Boolean values. But who need Boolean values, sir? Chappan, what I need to apply? Sum you need to apply. Oh, nice. Good, sir. Very nice. But who need always top is, I don't want top one is what exactly this value I wanted to display. What is the next one? 177. What is the next one? So next one, even either this one or this one actually. How to get that? Any idea? You know, I guess actually. You already worked in project. Sort underscore. Well, that's what you know you have to apply first. What you know you have to apply first. Then indirectly you are gaining the knowledge. You are gaining what, man? Knowledge actually. Knowledge. See, value sort underscore values by default ascending order. We already know this. By default what order, Daniel? Ascending order. But who need ascending order? Ascending order ever kavali. So we need descending order. We need what, man? Descending order. Any idea what I need to do? I believe you done nice. Ascending equals to
false.
You done nice practice actually. Manchi practice chestunnaru. Exactly, sir. Exactly actually. Very nice. Did you understand, man? Right? Daniel, here is more missing value, less missing value like this actually. So this is something like, show column wise count of missing value. I believe you understand. Move on. Online team, can I talk with you? I need response from almost everybody. Please respond. Are you following? Meanwhile, let me drink water. Chappan sir. Good. Thank you. Karthik Sarji, Akshay. Thank you. Where are we? Time 10:21, sir. కొంతమంది టైం చూస్తున్నారు. 10:21 అయింది. Move on. Is it okay? Go back to you can just have to display the data frame. Let me show you few more examples. You will get an idea. df what exactly dot head method you can call. We'll see what kind of operations we can apply. మనం కొన్ని operations apply చేద్దాం. అయ్యో, only few columns it is displaying. Let's work with individual columns. Let's work with what, man? Individual. I may not work with all columns. You need to work actually. Let's take survived column as a first. What column, Sarji? Survived column. Okay, working with survived column. Survived column actually. Survived column. Good. Hey, Daniel, you do one thing. You can just have to apply. What I can apply, So how to access a single column? I'm sure you already know. Index notation I'm using. Please, I may not highlight these at all. Now, once I'm getting single column is not my main motto. I wanted to apply unique. How many unique values you can guess actually? Any unique values undochu survived lo? So very good. You should have a first one will be 0. Next one Either died or living, that's it, right? Now let me just try to talk this one. Dot unique actually, what exactly mean unique method? Wow, quite interesting. This is seriously super actually. Yeah, exactly. What is the next important point, you know? Zero means okay, not survived. One means survived. I wanted to know what is a zero count. I wanted to know what is a one count. What I need to do. Very good, madam. Kusma garu, nice response actually. You can just have to apply here. Chappan Sarji, value underscore counts. There is a method actually. Exactly. This is really important. Exactly. 0, 500 plus actual. Oh my God. Did you notice? Many people not survived, sir. Chappan? Many people, this is the information you are gaining the, you know, like this you need to apply. If somebody have given the data, on top of the data, you need to start thinking what are the operations I can apply actually. Then you will come to know many things. Make ardham the search, right? Good. Can I ask a person? Can I tell you one small important point? These are all we done. Daniel, when you slept during that time, మీరు పడుకుని ఉంటారు, నిద్రపోయి ఉంటారు. During project I covered. During what, man? Project I covered actually. So please, every operation, whatever we have covered, you need to think like, you know, where I can apply this. మనం ఎక్కడ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు దీని అని మనం మీరు ఎలా ఆలోచించాలి. First we'll do one thing, you know, survived column, unique operation, unique values, finding unique values. Unique values ను find out చేద్దాం. Okay, then next one will be to find out unique. Here I need to call a method. Method name is unique. And here, you know, so I need values count. Values what exactly mean? Count. Values count. Exactly, sir. Exactly like this actually. మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. Just we are good to go. I'm sorry. Good. Are you ready? Good. There is a one column. That column name is a. So hold on. Let's focus on this gender column. What all operation we can apply? Same story. Unique you can apply. You can just have to come here, Sajay. Like this you need to be understand. Oh, let us just have to walk through P class. Which class actually? Let us just have to focus. P class మీద focus చేద్దాం చూడండి. How many values? 3 unique values. Yeah, we should get 3 unique values. Yeah, exactly. 0, 1, 2. What do you know? You have to apply. Then how you know? Practice. Exactly. Now I wanted to know one count, one cabins are how many? 2 count, 2 cabins are how many? 3 count. What I need to do? That's it, sir. But just now we covered actually. Please, at least now you can wake up. Value underscore. I already told actually. First class, always very less. Just now I told actually. Meer observe chesara. Go back to the train. Are you talking about the one tire actually? One tire, very less cabins. Chappan sir, very less cabins actually. Very less cabins. Why? Because cost effective. Maybe not everyone may travel actually, right? So please focus on this one. No, yeah, first class 216 actually. Second class 184. Oh, seems to be almost equal cabins, but here more members traveled actually. Here second position. Third class is what exactly meant? 491. And here almost many members traveled here actually. Can I tell you one small story? Can you guess madam traveled in which cabin? Any idea? First class actually. I will show you practically. That's one of the reason why she survived. Heroes traveled in which one? Yeah, that's the reason he didn't survive. Really, frankly speaking. We can see the data. Manu data ni chodochu. Are you ready, sir? We'll see. That staff team, they given high priority for first class to make them to survive actually. It's okay. I'm not teaching Titanic, but please make a note. Same thing like that you need to be applied such a P class column. P class what exactly? Column we are applying. The next one will be same thing like that. You can apply on just you can apply here sex column actually. Now you will come to know sex in the sense gender. What is a male count? What is a female count? You can see. Yeah, exactly, sir. Male, how many? 577. Female, how many? 314 actually. Please make a note. Daniel, I need only male 577 data frame. We can get it actually. You need to filter the data. You need to, am I right? I need only what exactly? Either up to you. I need only zeros data frame, ones data frame survived actually. Right? తెలుసు కదా మీకు. Okay, let me explain. Okay, example explain చేస్తాను చూడండి. Gender column. You can rename to gender. Why you are not done? I don't have a time. You can just try to walk through survived column kada. Let us apply few more operations here. Daniel, I need only data frame with zeros. I need only, I need a data frame with all zeros actually. All what exactly mean? Zeros. All zeros. All zeros. First of all, survived. Having two unique values. One is a 0, next one is 1. What I'm telling, I need a data frame separately, only zeros value. I need a data frame separately, only ones actually. How to get? Telsa ela techukovalam. We need to filter the data. We need to filter what meant? Data actually. Good. You can kindly please focus. Data visualization I did it started. Just we are doing EDA. Just we are doing what search? Prasanam manu EDA chestam. Right? I wanted to display only 0. I wanted to display only 0 actually. 0 related data frame. What I need to do? Chapandi. Chapandi sir. Survive. You are capturing only that single column. Now, any idea here what I need to write? Chapandi. Relational operator. 0, 0. Relational operator. We need to write actually. Equality operator. Good. We'll get result will be Boolean values. What values, man? But who need this Boolean value? Cut this one. Sn with one small variable. Variable name is a condition. Variable name is what subject? Condition. Df of what exactly mean? Condition. Wow. Excellent. We got it actually. You can check any value. Only survived 0. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. Good. How many actually? 549. Either you check in the values underscore count match cheste it match avutundi. It should be match. Did you understand? Good. Now I have a question. Instead of 0, can I give 1? Chapandi. Yes, you can give. Now you will get what exactly? Like this actually. Man, like this you need to apply all pandas operations up to you. 342. Then let me ask you a question. Who all will answer? You will get a job very quickly. మీకు జాబ్ త్వరగా వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను అడిగేదానికి మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేస్తే. కెన్ ఐ గివ్ హియర్ టు? నో. వాట్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్?
Value not found.
What exactly? Empty data. Daniel, when you covered, that's what I already covered actually. Your practice indicates your answer. Empty data frame. What data frame? మీకు జాబ్ వస్తుంది, కంగారు పడకండి. అయ్యో నేను చెప్పలేదు రాదా అంటే వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే యూ విల్ గెట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. See, if I compare with the job, you feel emotional actually. Emotional గా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు. నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ అంటే ఇలాగే చెప్తాడు అనుకున్నారు. ప్లీజ్ మ్యాన్. ఓకే సారీ ఫర్ సేయింగ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్, బట్ డూ ప్రాక్టీస్ సర్చ్. ప్రాక్టీస్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు. సేమ్ థింగ్ లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ like this. I am applying on only one column actually. You can apply group by these are all. Other columns you can take. Analyze the column. Let us just have to take that what column? Cabin related column. P class actually. Gender column. You need to analyze these are all. So seems to be all the CDA. Abhishek, very good answer, sir. Can we convert HTML template into Jupyter? No, Abhishek, not possible. Sir, can we change the line? And you're trying to accessing specific column and you are finding unique value, then the result will be, this is the array. This is what exactly mean? As of now, think like a list. As of now, think like what's a list actually? Array coming from NumPy topic. Array is a data structure coming from NumPy topic actually. NumPy topic. It is displaying only two values. What is the first one? Male. What is the next one? I wanted to filter only male data frame. Can we get actually? Yes. I wanted to filter only female. Can we get? Same story. You can just need to come here. Miru ikkada what I need to specify. So I hope this column I need to specify. And here I wanted to take. Tell me such a male actually. Now kindly please focus on this. This is total male data frame. All heroes actually here. You can touch anything, you know. So these are all males data frame. Males data frame. Same thing like that. I need to get female actual madams. Yeah, you can get it like this, man. You can apply group by filtering. Ayo, many operations we can. We separated actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay, like this. It's okay. It's okay. Let's just have to move on. Filtering. Based on gender. Based on what search? Gender. So let me read the code in front of you one more time. You will get an idea.